Good afternoon, everyone. This is an instructional video on the new Ultralight Dome Weight Trim Kit. This is what you would get in the package. This is a CTK-DWTK. It'll come with two main parts and a bag with hardware and a flat plate. So one of the main parts you'll get is this right here. What you have is you'll have some hardware here. You can take these off if you wish. These mainly are to hold the hard weight in place, just in case it slides. It shouldn't slide, but just in case. You can take these off. You can also take these off, and as an option of a hard, like a scuba weight, we also have these stainless steel weights that you could actually bolt them together, and you can bolt them on this tray and slide them anywhere you'd like. Also, as far as the size of the dome that you have, you can loosen this up, slide it up and down, depends on the size of the dome that you have. Once you have this, you're going to find this in the bag. Take these screws out, and it'll be mounted just like this. And once these are tightened up, there'll be no part of the head sticking up over the plate, so it won't interfere with anything on the camera. Also, so you have a flat plate right here. So Nauticam has a rubber mat like this. It'll work perfect on this. You can use the one hole here. If you have a camera with two holes, or three, you can use these two outer ones right here. So what we have is, we have two shorter little bolts. These are for if you're using two. We have one longer one that'll go up through the bottom, and it's longer so it doesn't interfere with any of these other bolts. You can turn it and tighten it up really good. If you have a camera that has a big base on it and it does not have like a rubber type pad on there, and it's just plain metal, the kit does come with some little adhesive pieces right here. You can take them off. You can stick them on these corners. That'll work perfect like that. Other than that, the only real trick is, how do you take the strap and weave it through and make it all go together? So I just left this together, just so you can see. The strap has like the little loops on one side, the fuzzy part, and then has the smooth backing on the other side. If you take it with the smooth backing, go up through, down to here, what you do is, then you take the mount, slide it through there, tighten this up really nice, bring it around, and then bring this over and secure it really tight. So as you can see, you can slide this there, everything will sit really good. Other than that, adjust the weight however you want. You can slide it back and forth to get the trim how you want. You can mount this plate differently, slide it back and forth to get the trim that you want. And you're just going to have to take it out in the ocean, play with it, and happy filming. Have a good day. Bye.